Previous session we clearly discussed like how to like the concept like we event handling. In event handling we clearly discussed about what is meant by event handling and what are the core concepts are included in the event handling in React.js. And we have seen clearly how to like how it is changing using like some functions like on click and on change. Now we are writing arrow functions and all, and how it is going to check the validations, and how we are going to check some alert messages and all in a clear way we have clearly discussed. So in this session we are going to discuss about how to add an image and how to add some data related to image and all. And later on we'll try to finish the concept of React router DOM. Like what like React router DOM is nothing but routing, simply routing. Like I can say you how with this we can still complete this project, and we'll later on is we'll try to create one another project. With this we'll conclude this session. Okay, clear? So let me create one new folder under src card styling. Card styling. Sorry, card styling. So under cards, sorry, means mistake. Let me rename the folder. Card styling, and under card styling, please let me try to create a profile card dot js6, and let me create one css file also, style dot css. Done. So I have already downloaded one photo. Let me include that photo now, please. Let me wait a second. So let me copy this photo and so photo got pasted successfully. Done. So we'll write the style.css code later. Otherwise, we'll try to complete style.css first, and later on we'll try to complete profile code.js. Okay. We'll try to complete profile code.js first. Okay. RFC. RFC. So let me remove unwanted function like imports. So next, let me complete profile code.js 6. So let me take some const like I can take constant gender. Constant gender is equal to, I can take some h4 tag, and all. I can say the gender as male, done as of now. So under div tag, so let me use some, as of now I didn't add any css, like so I don't want to include the css class names directly enough. So before adding I will try to complete the main details and all. So let me add some details. ID 7. So I will complete like some basic lines of code. Instead of 7, let me write 007. So it will be look nice, like 4-digit number of code. So next, let me take an h3 tag name again. Name. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Done. Next, let me take the gender. Instead of mentioning gender like this, we can directly mention gender here. So gender male will be directly added to that photo. Next, let me take some p tag. Like I can say, what is this? Like I can say department. Let me take department. Okay, let me take some p tag. P tag. So sorry. Let me take some p tag here. So in the p tag, so let me use p tag here. So next, under p tag, let me use department here directly. Department. I can say the department as Indian cricket team. Indian cricket. Indian cricket team. Done. Or else you can also directly keep it as a like I can say directly you can keep directly in like No need, no need. You can also use capital letters as you wish. Again, next, I can say what's his role directly. We can say, I can say the role as wicket keeper, and as well as captain. I don't want to include a batsman also. Like I'm just stopping like at wicket keeper and captain itself. Okay, later on, if you want to add anything, you can also add. Uh, so let me include any Gmail and all. Otherwise, if you don't want to include the Gmail, you can also leave as you wish. So let me include MS Dhoni at the rate uh, bcci.in. Any other things did I mention? Like let me include some random phone number. So done. As of now, we clearly done with this, but let me check how it is going to be mapped in this app.js. Let me include uh, profile card.j6. So let me run this app now. npm there. So let me check the mean. Let me check the output what I got exactly. Okay, I got clearly one after the other. No issue. So let us all try to complete with the CSS part. Meanwhile, let me uh, include the photo also here. So let me import manually instead of directly importing. Import Dhoni from double quotes dot slash cricket. Done. So using semicolon is not mandatory, it's optional. So let me use the image tag directly. Image tag. Under image tag, so let me use like you can also use image tag like this instead of use. If you don't want to use image tag like this, you can also use like slash. Let me include the image tag src double quotes like single quotes flower praises Dhoni. What happened? Okay. Let me use an alternative tag because why I'm using alternate like alt text, like I can say. So I will show here. So if any photo is not getting visible here, so instead of like this I can say some photo is there here. So instead of like this I can say MS Dhoni. See, let me check the output. See, it is showing something is there here, but my photo is not currently displaying here, but it is saying that it is having something in that place, alternative text. Okay, so why it's not showing? Sorry, I forgot, I included in single quotes. Sorry. So let me check the output once. Now it's looking like this. Okay, we'll change it, no issue. So done. I can say width as 50%. Width as 50%. Okay, let me give in double quotes directly. Done. Now it's perfect. It seems to be perfect. Okay. Okay. 25 is okay, but let me take this 20. 20 is also okay. So let me arrange this to center directly with the total directly image, and this text is to be aligned into the center by style.css. Later on, we'll try to conclude this session. Like, okay. So let me use something like I can say I want to use dot card directly for my CSS. Like I can say from my what I can select this card is going to apply for my main tag. Okay, like the description I have provided in the things. So I will include my card here directly, so that CSS is going to apply for this total details. Okay, clear. So let me use like box hyphen shadow. Box hyphen shadow is nothing but like we can set some colors and all. So directly you can do 0 4px 0 4px and 12px, some colors. I don't want to use alpha color. I won't do some random colors. Remaining colors I want to set it as a 0 directly. You can use your any AI for CSS, but for only some acknowledgement purpose, I'm explaining this CSS also, nothing else. So next, what we can do is RGB done. What happened? So next, max width. I can say max width, max hyphen width. So let me use 300 or 320. Okay, is let 320 is enough. So margin. So let me use margin auto done. I can say text align total center done. I can say I can use some font family as well. As font family is nothing but I want to use different family like Arial comma sans hyphen serif done. I can say border also as well, border. I want to use borders as 2 pixels, not 20, not 20, 2 pixels. Solid is nothing but everything is going to be in dark mode, solid. A color should I want to maintain is 00, black color. Next, let me use border radius also as well. So border radius is like next 12 px done. So after using like implementing border px, let me use padding also. Padding is equal to 15 px done as well. Uh, Let me use some random background color. So random background color. Any random things? Okay, we'll go with FFF like hashtag F F9 F9 F9. Something I don't know this color exactly. I'll use this color, but we'll see what is going to apply. So let me use for image tag also. So let me use for image tag also. So some image tag like I can see the border radius. A border radius can be of 10%. So I can take again this border. No need to write again. So border. Next, I can say the margin bottom. Sorry, margin bottom 10%. Done as of now. So next, for image tag also be applied successfully. Okay. No need as of now. I think so. But I want to apply for department and year also as well. So let me use something like dot dept. So I want to highlight that Indian cricket team. So I'm using for the department also. Font size I can say 15 points. Like next, color I wanna use dark red directly. Dark red is sufficient. Next, I can also use dot here. I can say font weight. Font weight is nothing but bold. Done. So let me come back to my style. Like what I can say, my profile code.jsx. So under where is department? So like it is my department. So under department, please come please use this style tag. So to include style.css, we need to include our style.css also as well. Import use single quotes style.css. Import style.css. Done. So under class name, please directly use what I can say directly in double quotes dept. Next, done. So I want to apply for this role also class name. Sorry, what happened? Class name. I have used it for year, I think so. Year. So let me use for the division tag also class name, directly card here. So I forgot to use anything. Did I forgot? No, I think so. It seems. So let me check with the output once how it is going to be. Nice. Fine actually. But let me try to remove this. Like let me increase this. It's fine actually. So what I else I want to include. So let me use some break statement here. Both are getting clumsy here. Okay. Instead of maintaining like this email mobile. So done. So in this way, we can include some photos with the data and all clearly. So no issue as of now. These are the basic concepts which I covered in a React learn, like in first React app. So clearly we have learned successfully like how to look, how to use and everything. So let me close all these things. So we have done with the card styling, components, conditional rendering, event handling, hooks demo, and drops and state demo as well in a clear way. So I want to include something. I can say I want to share you something like let me discuss not in style tag. I can say let me create one under src. So let us all try to create one new tag like new folder. I can mention it as others. It's like not others, like I want to show you how to include one function into another function, like one jsx file into another jsx file. So with this we'll conclude the session. Okay, so example 1.jsx, and let me create new file example 2.jsx. Done. Both use RFC, sorry, RFC, RFC. Done. Let me use some H tag here. H2 tag, uh, example one component demo. Next, so let me use here. I want to show you how I'm in example two. Okay, I'm in example two. So meanwhile, I want to show you how to render and all everything. So it was done clearly. Uh, Instead of writing like this, we can also write some h2 tag here. Login paste done. So let us all try to include this example 2.jsx in example 1.jsx. So we'll include only example one directly. So see directly example two. I'm directly including example one, example two in. So like I can say I'm directly including the example 2.jsx in example one directly. So I will include in app.jsx. I will run like I'll export only example one and I will show you the output. Clear? So let me use this. So let me come back here. Example one exported successfully. So let me check with the output once. See, example one component demo is running successfully. Example two and I'm in login page. It was running successfully. Like see, I call I call the same like I call the example two file from my example one. So it's directly calling from example one to example two. So no need to bother anything. So in this type we can include example two uh, in example one directly. So we can directly export example one in app.jsx and we can check the output. Clear guys? So center tag. See, this is the example one tag which was already done. This is the example two which you are executing here clearly, and I am in login page. So with this we will conclude how like the basic concepts which I have clearly discussed. Clear, guys? So meanwhile, let us all try to take some break. We'll after this break we'll try to continue how to handle what is meant by React Router DOM, and how to handle the routes and all everything. Okay, clear? So let me continue a new concept now. So let us all try to go with what I can say React Router DOM. With this concept, we'll get to know how the routes are going to be handled and everything in a clear way. Clear, guys? So let me explain you what is meant by React Router DOM and all. So after that we'll try to create one new, I can say, we'll try to create one new React app. So after further we'll try to execute everything and all in detail with the implementation part. So I can say, I can simply, what is React Router? React Router DOM. React Router DOM. So meanwhile, so let me check with this. So I can say React Router DOM, React hyphen Router hyphen DOM is a routing is a routing library for React used to handle navigation between different components. Different components. Like I can say paging and all, like sometimes pages. The components also can be called as pages. Next, in a single page application. In a single page application. In short, we can call it as SPA, without reloading the page. Without reloading the page. Done with this? Clear? So next, installing what we are going to do. What React Router DOM is a routing library for React. Use it to navigate. Use it to handle navigation between different components. Like components are nothing but I can say simply pages in a single page application. In short, we can call it as SPA, and without reloading the page. So we can render from one component to another component without even reloading. Okay. So how to use this concept now? So we need to install this. So to run this concept, we need to install on one dependency npm install react hyphen router hyphen DOM.